super dirty. It's always a treat seeing this Mark III out. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm getting the wagon washed. It is filthy, and then I'm going to a V.A.G meetup in town this evening. Looking forward to that. We haven't met up in a while, so let's get to it. I have to show you what the car looks like. Super dirty. It's like 30 kilometers of gravel road the other day. Hey guys, so I just pulled up at the meetup. I'm actually very impressed with these guys because the meet started at 4:30 and there's cars here already. Like, usually these guys are quite late, so very impressive. I think this is most of the guys now that have pulled up. Not a lot of guys said they're coming through. So good. Some more guys pull through now. I'll show you around. So Mercedes Mark 1 looking extra clean as always. Maybe I should buy a Mark 1 sometime. The odd one out of here, but this thing is beautiful. Like, this look is just timeless. always a treat seeing this Mark 3 out.
Problematic, it was still
Nothing here.
no, it was a cheap, it was some Chinese, I didn't know it.
The dirt truck featuring a VR making the sound of our people. Yeah, this bird doesn't care if your car's clean.
Again, I'm the reverse back.
Samir had to move his car because the birds kept crapping on it. So I got the gimbal out. I'm gonna shoot some B-roll. Let's get to it. Guys are rolling out now. This VR attracted so much attention earlier. It's just got some rare bits on it. Apparently these mirrors cost a small fortune. And the wheels are obviously just period correct and perfect. I do like LMs. Didn't like them for a while, but they really do look good. got that bounce. I'm the last man standing, and hey, what's happening? So Noor's car just died, which is so weird because he pulled away and the car just switched off, and I think it's fuel delivery. His mechanic got you in like 5 seconds, so he's just going to diagnose and check what the problem is. Swing.
There's no fire on this car.
So I just left the, can't even say the meet because I was there way after, but I just left Noor now. It is about 9 o'clock. I feel bad because he's not sorted yet, but he's got his mechanic with him and his friends are getting a coil. So it turns out that there's just no spark. I thought it was fuel, but it's just no spark, and hopefully a 3-pin coil will do the trick. His friend actually made a call and someone opened a spare shop so they could just get a coil, which is quite amazing. Yeah, hopefully they get it sorted. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you watching these videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one.